In continuation of the large intestine movements, start with the colonic movements. First, there are mainly three types of the movements. Colonic movements are hostile contractions, propulsive movements or peristalsis, and third one is mass colonic peristalsis. First one is a hostile contractions. These are the contractions similar to the segmentations. As we have seen in the small intestine segmentation movements, there is a outpouches occurring in the colon and forming the segmentation type of the colonic movements. These are these are called hostile contractions, mainly hostile contractions. They are help in mixing and circulation of the chyme within the large intestine. Propulsive movements or peristalsis movements that propel the colonic content towards the rectum. The mechanism of the colonic peristalsis is same as intestinal peristalsis as we have seen. A mass colonic peristalsis is a stronger peristaltic contractions that forcefully pushes the contents into the colon from the colon into the rectum. An activation of the mass peristalsis is colon finally leads to the initiation of the defecation reflex. Defecation is the reflex. It cleans the large intestine. This is similar as a migratory motor complex. It occurs in 3 to 4 times a day and is initiated usually after a meal. Mass peristalsis is not affected by the coloscopy. What are the different types of the colonic reflexes? Colonic reflexes, one is colonocolonic reflex. Relaxation of the entire colon in response to distension of one part of colon. If there is a one part of the colon is filled with the chyme, then other part of the colon will be relaxed. And this reflex is mediated by the sympathetic fibers. Other reflex is a gastrocolic reflex. Gastrocolic reflex initiated when food accumulates in the stomach. जब हम खाना खाते हैं स्टमक में फूड जमा होता है, then one reflex is started which produces a motility of the proximal and distal colon. This pushes colonic content into the rectum, which stimulates the desire for defecation. And this reflex, gastrocolic reflex, is prominent in the children's or infants when they take feed. Infant baby up to 1 year, 2 year, when they take feed, they go for defecation. Usually after taking a large meal, the urge of defecation is enhanced. This is more developed in children or infants. Gastrocolic reflex is proposed to be mediated by gastrin. Gastrin is a hormone secreted from the stomach in response to gastric distension and not by the neural or neural factors से controlled नहीं है. Gastrocolic reflex is controlled by the gastrin hormone which is secreted from the stomach. What is the motility of the rectum and anal canal? There is a one type of the motility is seen, mass colonic peristalsis, which pushes the content in the colon into the rectum. Anal canal always remains closed by the tonic contraction of internal and external anal sphincters. These are the internal sphincters and these are the outer sphincters. Outer external anal sphincters, internal anal sphincters. This is rectum and this is anal canal. Internal anal sphincter is made up of thickening of the circular smooth muscles of the anal canal. External sphincter consists of striated muscles, skeletal muscles. So this is innervated by somatic motor nerve, pudendal nerve. which bring its under voluntary control. So it is a skeletal muscles are voluntary controls. Before initiation of the defecation reflex, colonic peristalsis pushes colonic content into the rectum. This causes filling and distension of the rectum that initiate the relaxation of the internal anal sphincters and constriction of the external anal sphincters. With initiation of the defecation reflex, the external sphincters opens and person defecates. However, the relaxation of the internal sphincter in response to rectal distension is a temporary phenomena. If the defecation is delayed, as with the social factors are there, then the internal sphincters regain its normal tone and the reflex is inhibited. So this is motility of rectum and canal. In next lecture, we will discuss the defecation reflex. That is important. Most of the time that is asked about the defecation reflex. Thank you.